Hi, this is Z1, and this is the explanation for the actual credit number 6. So use the turtle module to draw the following parting. And yeah, we can see those are like the triangle, like the side by side, it's become bigger and bigger. So let's see the code. So because it's a turtle module, so we import turtle and we just define the turtle as the my pen. So it's right here. My pen is turtle point to the turtle. And then we define the speed, the turtle speed is 0. And then we can see the pen color is black. And after that, we just pick up the pen and then make the pen go to position -200 and 200 and then just put down the pen. So we use for loop because we can see the, we start spiral and we use for loop. So, for I in range 1, we use 41, yeah. And then, because it's bigger and bigger, and in another word, it's like, SAD equal SAD -10. And we can see, the pen is like, turn left 120 degree. And then we just, and after that, like outside the for loop, we make the pen turn right and just make it turn 180 degree. And we use another for loop to write a bigger and bigger function. It's like a side equals side plus 10. And then we make the t go to the position for 410 and 130. And just the same with those two steps. Side equal side -10 and side equal side plus 10. So after those, it is like that. And then we run it. Because the position is different, so it's a little bit different. We can see, yeah. So here is the turtle, how it works. So I just got this thing like this, and then we can see, yep. So that's what I got.